In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount plus a free domain from Hostinger. So what you have to do to avail this amazing free domain plus 95% discount is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount and a free domain. First of all, the thing is which attracts me is the 30 days money back guarantee. No questions asked. 30 days money back guarantee is an amazing feature by Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal from Hostinger. Now look around on the reviews, 69,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and if you look around practically on what people are saying regarding Hostinger on the industry's independent website. So you can see I'm a returning customer to Hostinger, 5-star reviews, 5-star reviews. I had an excellent experience with the Hostinger support. Code is helpful. Almost everyone says that Hostinger is amazing, and this is my own personal experience as well, which is why it's been 5 years I've been using Hostinger as my primary hosting company. Hostinger also been featured on almost all of the famous websites, and you can build a WordPress website through it. And if you are using another hosting company and you want to migrate to Hostinger, Hostinger has a dedicated migration service as well, where you can migrate your website, be it a single or 100 website. They are going to manage all, and that too free of cost. Do your market comparison. You are saving $2,400 or more annually. So scroll below, 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm one of them as well. So now, without wasting much of your time, directly move on how you can avail 95% discount and free domain over here. So scroll below over here. So the free domain is valid on all of the plans if you click on the link in the description. And doing the plan comparison, my recommendation is to do a thorough search of all the plan features function before opting for one. But if you want to add 95% discount and a free domain, so the free domain is valid on all of the plans, but let's say I'm going into business plan. Right now is 79%, but once I select the choose plan, I'm going to make it 95% for you guys. So again, this is only valid for the people who click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code, as I'm going to tell you step by step in this video. So now coming on the billing period, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods, 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. My recommendation is to offer the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. Now it's the time to grab your free domain for the first year. Again, this is only valid if you click on the link in the description and use my tutorial. You can see the free domain is valid for the first year. You do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. Just make it 1 year. So don't have to pay again, you can offer other as well, renewals as well. So you can see right now over here it's 79% off this. Now I'm going to make it 95% for you. Select the above coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply this discount coupon code, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So it was 79% plus 10%. 79 plus 10 is 89%. Now I have to make it 95%. So add the $100 free daily backup. So add a free domain for the first year, add 5 free mailboxes for the first year, and it's going to be more than 95% saving for you. So do your math. Free domain, free 1 GB, 5 mailboxes, and free daily backups, and 10% additional discount code, making it 95% up to 95% savings on your Hostinger hosting plan. So the free domain is valid on all of the plans if you click on the link in the description. Now after you are done with your research, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And the last part is doing payments at Hostinger. So see your order summary before doing anything. If you see your order summary is fine. Now write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details, move on to the last part. And now the last part is doing payment at Hostinger. So if you look around, you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So this is what I like regarding Hostinger. That Hostinger offers you a variety of payment methods to avail and enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. So this is my own liking with Hostinger. So let's say I'm going with a credit card. I'm going to select my credit card, selecting add a new payment method, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. So you know what additional is that Hostinger offer you country specific additional payment method as well. So if you are living in a specific country, they may offer you additional payment method options as well, which are based on your local currency. And this is another great feature by Hostinger. So just for a revision, if you want to enjoy a free domain plus up to 95% discount, then make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code mentioned in the description of this video using the step-by-step tutorial I have shown you in this video. In this video I have shown you how you can get a free domain and up to 95% discount from Hostinger. So these are limited time deals, and I want you guys to take them advantage of this limited time deals by opting for them as soon as possible. I've been using Hostinger from last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I want you guys to take the advantage of this free domain and 95% offer. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.